What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download and install DStv on your LG Smart TV. So, over here is my LG Smart TV, and the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your TV is actually connected to the internet, and mine is actually connected to the internet through the TV's Wi-Fi. And once you're sure that you're connected to the internet, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and press on the home button to be taken to the home of your LG Smart TV. So just go ahead and press on the home button. And from the home of your LG Smart TV, you just want to hover horizontally until you get to this app icon over here. So just scroll and then hover to this app icon and then go ahead and click on it, which automatically opens up the LG App Store. Now once it opens, you can basically just go over to this search icon at the top right corner of the LG Smart TV and search for the specific app you want to download. So just scroll over to the top and then click on the search icon. And now you want to go ahead and search for DStv. So using your remote control, just go ahead and type DStv and then just hover to this search button over here and then click on it just like so. Now this will search for the DStv app on your LG Smart TV App Store. And you can see over here that under apps, we actually have the DStv app. So you just want to go ahead and select it just like so. And here we have the DStv app. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the install button. And now the DStv app is now being installed into our LG Smart TV. Now go ahead and give it a minute or two to fully download and install into the Smart TV. Now once it is done, as you can see, it has been installed and added to the home screen. You just want to go ahead and open it up directly from here by clicking on the launch button over there, just like so. And finally, we have the DStv app running smoothly on our LG Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and sign in by visiting this URL over here and then entering this code that is being displayed on your LG Smart TV. Also, if you come over to the home of your LG Smart TV now and then just scroll down, you're going to see that from this list of apps over here, the DStv app has now been added to the list of apps on our LG Smart TV. You can literally see that over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.